How to log in WhatsApp Business. First of all, open the WhatsApp Business app on your device. If you don't have it installed, download it from the Play Store and open it once installed. Next, tap on Agree and Continue to accept the terms and conditions. Now enter your phone number linked to your business account and tap Next. You will receive a verification code via SMS or phone call. Enter that code to verify your number. If you have a backup from your previous WhatsApp business account or WhatsApp Messenger, you will be prompted to restore your chat and media backup. Tap Restore to recover your chats or skip if you want to start fresh. After that, enter your business name and select a category that describes your business. You can also add a profile picture and business description to complete your profile. Once setup is complete, you will be logged in and ready to use WhatsApp Business to chat with your customers. Now you know how to log in WhatsApp Business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.